Good morning. Afternoon. Hey, it's afternoon. Okay. Once upon a time, there was this fence I built, and I used these posts, which were garden timbers. And you know what? Not so much. Totally rotted away. I just discovered a couple of days ago that it had just totally disappeared, rotted away. I pulled it out last night, the remains of it, by hand. And that's the cement I poured in last time I tried to fix it. So that's all ready to come out, but I just left it in there so the rain doesn't fill up the hole. And I got to replace that post, but then it turns out the panels are kind of beat to hell too. Yips, not good. So much for oriented strand board being waterproof, which they do advertise. So anyways, I got some new half-inch plywood I'm going to put up there, and some new stone and topsoil. And after I unload the car, I'm probably going to go to bed for a while. Anyways, I got the fence braced up for the moment to hold it in place, and so I can place the new post. Then I take those off and replace them with the plywood after I paint the plywood again. And I also got to replace those roof sections because they're rotting in. So there you go. That's the latest and greatest. Igloo is still standing. Okay, has not collapsed, but I don't think it would take too much. I don't know how much accumulation I'm going to get. I haven't had enough rain to see if I'm going to get any big accumulation in it, and that's what collapses it. But as it is, it's fine. And then I pulled down here to drop off the 2 bags of topsoil I got to try to make this something that can actually grow stuff. And I figured while I was down here, I'd start trimming some of these trees that were hanging way low. And, you know, once you get started, you just get carried away, and it goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on. Back in here. Okay, and then all the way around the yard. But that needed it. Well, everything needed it. But, you know, you get started going on something and you just keep going and going and going. Now we're going to have a ton of work picking up all this debris and getting rid of it. But that's been getting pretty overgrown all along the edge there. Right around the corner. All the way back to the newly released cedar tree. Oh, there you go. Happy day to you.